Most people jump into KashKick expecting easy money, then quit after a few days because it feels slower than they thought. But here's the real question nobody answers properly. Is KashKick actually worth your time in 2026, or is it just another rewards app that looks better than it performs? In this honest review, you'll learn how KashKick really works, how much you can realistically earn, and whether it is worth your time compared to other reward platforms. Let's start with the core idea. KashKick is a get-paid-to platform where you earn money by completing surveys, signing up for offers, and trying partner apps. It is not a full-time income system. It is designed for small side earnings. So if someone like Alex expects hundreds of dollars in a few days, that expectation will lead to disappointment. Now here's where it gets interesting. KashKick actually pays higher per task compared to many survey-only apps. Some offers can pay several dollars each, especially sign-up and trial-based tasks. But the trade-off is that these offers are not unlimited. Once you finish the high-value ones, you often move back to lower-paying surveys. So the real value depends on how you use it. But here's the problem most users face. They treat KashKick like a passive income app. They log in randomly, do a few surveys, and expect fast results. That's not how it works. The users who earn consistently are the ones who focus on high-value offers first and stay consistent for short sessions daily. Now, let's talk about earnings realistically. In 2026, most casual users can expect small side income, not large payouts. Think of it as extra money for coffee, subscriptions, or small expenses. Active users who complete offers strategically may earn more, but it still depends heavily on available deals and location. Now let's discuss payout, because this matters. KashKick typically allows PayPal withdrawals once you reach the minimum threshold, often around $10. Payments are generally reliable, but they can take a few days depending on verification and offer approval times. So is it worth it? If you are looking for a simple app to earn extra cash in your spare time, KashKick is worth trying. It is legit, it does pay, and it has higher paying offers than many survey-only platforms. But if you are expecting fast or large income, it will not meet that expectation. The smartest way to use KashKick is to treat it like a side task app. Do high-value offers first, avoid wasting time on low-paying surveys, and cash out regularly instead of letting earnings sit. So the final verdict is simple. KashKick is worth it for extra side earnings in 2026, but only if you use it strategically and not casually. If this honest review helped you, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more real breakdowns of apps that actually pay and how they really perform in real life.